हेलो हेलो हेलो। सो आज एक और एरर को सॉल्व करेंगे कि कैसे ये एरर जनरेट होता है एंड दोज हु आर यूजिंग टाइपस्क्रिप्ट एंड नेक्स्ट.js would be facing this problem. So let's go to the screen and see what this error is, and I will try to make you understand that why this is causing and how to solve this effectively. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this is the error we are getting. You can have instead of user, you can have anything like portfolio and your like model, whatever the model name you are using. Okay, so this is the error you will be getting if you are using MongoDB most probably. In other cases also you can get this problem. So the error is type error can't read properties of undefined. Okay, so let me take you to the my models section. Okay, see, as you can see in this models sections, here I have portfolio and users, two models. Portfolio is for using the storing the users all data, personal data and all everything, projects and skills and everything. And users, as usual, name, email, password and profile URL, all of this. So what's happening here is कि this very line and this thing user, sorry, this is thing that is um, Next.js is saying that it doesn't it is unable to read it. Okay, so what it says is undefined. So what's happening behind the scenes is that mongoose.models. So models is a method inside mongoose library, and whenever called it searches all the models that is present. So in this case what we are doing is we are exporting user model, but first we are checking if mongoose already have a model with name user. If not, then we are making this new user with user schema. But the problem is this line works very good in express and everything, but um, I'm seeing that after next.js 15 the problem is coming. So what's happening is mongoose or TypeScript is not able to get the type of user. To solve this issue, you just have to make a variable, that is to declare a variable just before it, and make a type of your schema in TypeScript with whatever name you like, and just say this that it is a model, and this model will come from mongoose. You can see model mongoose, and here you can say model, and you can pass the type of it. You don't have to initialize the value, you only have to like say that it is a model of type user. And after that, this is the try catch block that you will be using. Let me just comment this. Yeah, so in try catch what it's doing is it's checking if mongoose already have a model with name user, this user, sorry, of type user. Okay, if it is not, that it will throw a error. It means it will throw a error. So it will come to the catch block, and in catch block we are passing the user schema and making the model. And this way we have the user model thing, user model in the user model variable, and we are exporting this. So this will solve all your problems. Okay, that was for today. If you guys are facing any error, please let me know. I will definitely make a video on it. And for now the error should be related to Next.js or TypeScript, and we'll work on other stacks also. um, I'm planning to also learn Django or Flask API, so we'll see. um, until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.